In today's video, we're diving into how to add CrankWheel to your customer support chat. This tool is great for businesses looking to engage customers directly with live visual support, but is it the best option out there? Stick around to find out as we break down everything you need to know and give you some exclusive options at the end that could be better for your customer support goals. First, let's talk about getting CrankWheel integrated into your customer support chat. The process is fairly straightforward, and the first thing you'll need is a CrankWheel account. Once you've signed up, head over to the integration page where you'll find various options depending on the chat platform you're using. CrankWheel offers integrations with popular chat systems like Intercom and Zendesk, as well as support for custom setups via API. Next, you'll want to link your customer support platform to CrankWheel. For platforms like Zendesk, CrankWheel has a direct app in their marketplace. Simply install the app, authenticate it, and you're ready to go. For other chat tools, you'll need to use the API to connect CrankWheel. This step is important because it allows CrankWheel to open a direct screen sharing session right within your chat window, giving your support agents the ability to offer visual assistance. Now, let's move on to how your customer support agents can actually use CrankWheel during a conversation. Once integrated, you'll see a button or a prompt appear in the chat interface. When a customer is asking for help, your agent simply clicks this button to start sharing their screen with the customer. Unlike traditional screen sharing tools that require downloads or heavy setup, CrankWheel is web-based and allows customers to view the agent's screen instantly, no downloads necessary. The fourth thing to consider is CrankWheel's flexibility with its sharing options. You can choose to share your entire screen or just a specific application, making it easy to guide customers through any technical issue or help them navigate complex forms. This adds a real layer of personalized support, but let's face it, it's not the only option out there. You see, while CrankWheel is great for quickly adding visual support, it's not perfect for everyone. It's more of a niche tool, and if your business is scaling rapidly, you might find its features limited. For example, CrankWheel doesn't offer robust ticketing management or advanced CRM integration, which means if you're looking for something all-encompassing, this may not be your best choice. So, here's the deal. CrankWheel is good, but there are some alternatives out there that could better support your long-term goals. There are platforms that offer not just screen sharing, but advanced features like detailed customer tracking, AI-powered insights, and seamless integration with your entire support workflow. Now, let's get into the best part. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of CrankWheel, but I also added some alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. These tools have free trials too, and they can help take your customer support game to the next level. The best part? These alternatives include powerful features that CrankWheel lacks, ensuring that you don't just have the tools to support your customers, but also the ability to scale your support efforts effectively. Again, make sure you check the link in the description for your exclusive benefits and start exploring all your options today.